Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about kinesthetic or hands-on activities and how we can incorporate those in our foreign language classrooms. So to begin with, think back to your own childhood and say, how did you learn? Were you more someone that liked to memorize facts? Were you someone that loved to read texts, whether that was in class or books at home? Maybe videos or audio recordings were super good for you, or you really enjoyed those experiments in school. So all of these different things are different types of, or characterize different types of learners that we have. And when it comes to foreign language teaching, we often forget that we have these different types of learners in a classroom. And especially we forget about those that need those hands-on activities. So just a quick overview. There are 3 to 4 different types of learners depending on the studies. The first one is visual. So visual learners really love by seeing information, graphs, relationships, image charts, all of those things. Then there are the kinesthetic learners. They are the ones that love hands-on activities, learning by doing. Auditory learners really benefit from anything spoken. So whether that's lectures or listening activities, they also like to repeat words and summarize in their own words. And then sometimes people say they're also the read-write kind of learners, and they really love to interact with text. So reading, any writing activities, filling out worksheets, taking notes, that's exactly what they love. So today I want to go a little bit deeper into the kinesthetic activities. So what makes an activity hands-on or kinesthetic? Anything that involves movement, creativity, touching, smelling, feeling, all of those kind of characteristics are what makes an activity kinesthetic. So general examples include role-playing, games, debates, cooking, sensory boxes, often also partner or group work. In foreign language teaching, it's sometimes hard to incorporate such kinesthetic activities on a regular basis. We'll have some activities where, oh yeah, I'm going to bring in food or we're going to work together. But it's really important that we think about our kinesthetic learners every day and try to incorporate something where they can explore a little bit more of like a movement or a sensory kind of activity. I just want to give you a couple of ideas. One is called Vocab Master, where they have to describe vocab words to their teams without using extra words. Then there's Bingo. Can be with given words that they have to fill into the grid, or you just give them a category and they have to fill in their own bingo grids. Then there are puzzles where it could be, matching pictures with words. In this case, we have an activity where students have to match the right infinitive with the simple past version. Team trivia is a great way to review words, grammar concepts, whatever it might be, and have different categories with different difficulty of questions where teams can pick which question they want to answer and hope to get those points. And if they don't answer correctly, the other team can steal the points by answering correctly. And then lastly, Tic Tac Toe is a wonderful game to play in class, but give it a little twist and add some present simple, for example, grammar concepts in there where students have to first say the correct word before they can put their X or O in the tic-tac-toe box. Yeah, if you like this and if you want to find out more about different types of kinesthetic activities that you can incorporate in your language teaching, or if you want to find out more about how you play these games, go to blog.robotel.com and there you can find the full article on kinesthetic and hands-on activities. Also, feel free to leave me a comment, give me suggestions, request the next blog post topic, whatever it might be, and I'm looking forward to reading from you. Bye.